Hi guys, in this video we're going to be bringing you to the top best hotels in Bathinda with the cheapest booking code so you can get the best hotel deal at the best price. Bathinda has one of the biggest food, grain and cotton markets in the northern India. We've also provided additional details regarding Bathinda in our description below. Country Inn and Suites Radisson. This is one of the most fanciest and the most amazing 4-star hotels in Bathinda. The hotel provides with all the amazing amenities and facilities under one roof itself. You name any facility and they have it all. The hotel has the most amazing swimming pool in Bathinda along with a poolside bar. Apart from this, they have an in-house restaurant which serves American, Chinese and Asian cuisines. They have a 24-hour coffee shop, an in-house bar, a ticket and tour service where you can plan all your daily tours. You also have spa and sauna services available at the hotel where you can just unwind and relax. You can enjoy the amazing continental wide spread of breakfast served here every morning. You also have an option of enjoying a breakfast in bed itself. The rooms here are very spacious, the beds are very soft and comfortable. You can choose between 2 single beds or a king size bed depending upon your choice. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a flat screen TV, a wardrobe, a separate seating area, comfortable beds and also a balcony where you can enjoy the pool view or the city view depending upon your choice. The prices are very reasonable for the 4-star hotel and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Comfort Inn Tulip Heights. This is a 3-star hotel in Bathinda which provides all the top class facilities and amenities. The hotel has a fitness center and in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service which serves Indian, Chinese and Mexican cuisine. They also have an in-house bar and a terrace where you can enjoy the beautiful city view. All the rooms are very well equipped with a TV, a hairdryer, a separate seating area, a wardrobe and a coffee machine. All the rooms here provide a beautiful lake view. You can enjoy the stunning view of the lake from your room itself. They also have an in-house gaming room in the hotel. You can enjoy the wide spread of continental buffet breakfast every morning at this hotel. The rooms are really clean, comfortable and spacious. You can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below for your direct booking. VRC City Heart. This is one of the 3-star hotels in Bathinda. It is one of the best wedding destinations in the whole of Bathinda. They are extremely famous for organizing all type of events, whether it is a wedding or it's just a small get-together. The hotel provides some amazing amenities and facilities. They have an airport transfers at an additional cost, an in-house restaurant which provides 24-hour room service, an in-house bar. You can enjoy the continental full English breakfast every morning in this hotel. All the rooms here give you the view of the beautiful city. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a flat screen TV, a mini bar, a separate seating area and also very comfortable beds. If you're interested in booking this hotel, do not forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Sepal. This hotel is located in one of the most busiest areas of Bathinda. It is just few minutes away from the Bathinda Junction and the vegetable market. A lot of tourist places are around the hotel which makes it very accessible for you to explore this lovely city. Whether you're visiting Bathinda on business or as a tourist, this boutique property is a very good choice of stay. They have an in-house business center where you can host any kind of meeting or conferences, a really amazing swimming pool with a poolside bar. They have an in-house fitness center for all you fitness freaks who do not want to miss working out even for a day. They have an in-house multi-cuisine restaurant, a 24-hour coffee shop as well as a bar. Rooms here are really comfortable and they give you a very homely feeling. Pricing of the room also is very reasonable and to get the best deal you can check out the booking codes in our description below. Hotel Stella. This 4-star hotel is 1 kilometer away from the Rose Garden and the Middle City Mall. It is one of the fewest hotels in Bathinda which also have a rooftop swimming pool where you can enjoy the beautiful city view. This hotel is a 10-minute drive away from the Bathinda Junction. They also have a lot of tourist places right around the hotel which is very accessible. This hotel provides the best in-class facilities whether you're visiting the city for business or as a tourist. They have an in-house fitness center, a restaurant as well as a bar. All the rooms here are very well equipped with an AC, TV, a mini bar, kettle and free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. This hotel has different categories of rooms available starting from a standard room to a royal suite and you can select them according to your choice. To get the best deals, do not forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Have you dropped us a like button yet? If not, we really appreciate if you give us a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to our channel to get information about various hotel deals in different cities and for more travel tips. Hotel Bahay Heights. This hotel caters to all the segments of customers from tourists to corporate to travelers. They have about 32 rooms in total, out of which 2 is an executive room and 1 is a presidential suite. The hotel has a terrace which gives a 360-degree view of the city. It provides a unique concept of sky-top dining and multiple activities. This hotel provides the best rooftop parties in the city. You can also host a function for about 150 people at a time. Apart from this, they also have the biggest banquet hall in the city, which accommodates up to 250 people. In case you're looking out for a smaller intimate function for about 30 to 35 people, they also have a smaller banquet hall. This hotel has an in-house restaurant, a pub, a bar. All the rooms here are very well equipped with modern amenities. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. For the best deals of this hotel, you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Hotel Melody. This is a 3-star hotel located in the city center, which makes it accessible for you to explore this beautiful city. This hotel offers business venue where you can host any type of meetings or conferences. They also have banquet facilities where you can host any type of functions or celebrations. The hotel provides amazing services and all the modern facilities combined with the traditional hospitality. The staff here is extremely well trained and knowledgeable and always ready to help. They have a beautiful rooftop restaurant where you can enjoy the sunsets in the evening. The rooms here are very comfortable, spacious, and also extremely clean. To get the best deals, do not forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Satyam. This is one of the most budget-friendly hotels in Bathinda. The hotel is located in the city center, which makes it accessible to all the transport facilities and also the tourist attraction and activities. The hotel provides very good facilities. They have a 24-hour front desk facility, a 24-hour room service facility, an express check-in and check-out service as well. All the rooms here are very well equipped with an AC, a closet, a separate seating area, and also you can enjoy the beautiful city view from your room itself. Pricing here is extremely reasonable, and you can also check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. Hotel Sun City Classic. This 3-star hotel is about half a kilometer away from the railway junction and 1 kilometer away from the bus stand. All the tourist spots are in and around this hotel itself. This hotel provides some amazing facilities for their guests. They have a 24-hour front desk service, an express check-in and check-out facility. They also offer luggage storage facility along with services such as laundry, medical assistance, and a 24-hour room service. All the rooms here are very well equipped with a TV, a work desk, a wardrobe, a bathroom with hot and cold shower. If you're interested in booking this hotel, do not forget to check out the cheapest booking codes in our description box below. Hotel Grover International. This is an extremely budget-friendly hotel which is near the Bathinda railway station. Since it is in the city center, it is very accessible to all the transport facilities and everything that the town has to offer. The hotel provides some really good facilities for their guests. They have a 24-hour front desk, an express check-in and check-out service, a 24-hour room service facility, free Wi-Fi access all over the hotel. In case you're celebrating any special occasion, you can ask the hotel to decorate your rooms to surprise your loved ones. As you can see, the rooms are really spacious and very well equipped. You can also enjoy the beautiful city view from your rooms itself. To make your bookings, check out the cheapest booking codes in our description below. If you have visited any of these hotels, we would love to hear your experiences in our comment section below. We wish you a safe and a wonderful stay. Bye bye.